Week 7 of the PhD. Been a few developments over the last week or so. Lots of orientation over the last week and getting myself around campus and getting set up and so forth. So, there's been a bit of a switch in priority because the university's en vivo license expired, so I couldn't use that for a bit. So, rather than doing the literature review for the last week, my supervisor Matteo has recommended that I do a Coursera course on machine learning and specifically around the coding behind it. So I've been learning Python. I am not a maths guy. Weirdly enough, I get the logic behind maths, but the actual application, as numerous employers have found out, I'm not a details person. I'm a big picture problem solver, creative problem solving. Very good at that, very good at critical thinking, very good at analysis, not good at the fine details. And when it comes to maths, that is instant game over. So, that said, this study has been really, really interesting because it is much more focused on the logic of what these functions do and how the systems function in the background as opposed to literally being able to program it yourself. As it turns out, a lot of that code is just available online. So, yeah, been learning all of that. I'm now getting a much better idea of how these AI platforms work and therefore what is practically viable and what is not when it comes to using them to target online extremism. So that's been a useful development. Very interesting and making some progress there. Got to get back into the literature review now that the in vivo is working again. For those who aren't familiar, that's a qualitative research data management software. So very good for literature reviews because it lets you code things and link things together. So I got to get onto that. I got no shortage of material to get through there. And after a week or so, a couple of weeks of that, it will be time to reassess scope of the research. What's in, what's out, what's viable. So short one this week, but we're making some progress. Very excited about it, but it's now 9:12 p.m. and I am tired. So I'm going to bed.